My name is Danila Hughes. I had a 325 Ci BMW. I'm here to see what my car was converted into, which is Dylan's new race car. I bought the car in 2005. I had almost 300,000 miles on it when I finally decided that, hey, it's time to put this car to rest. When I decided to get rid of the car, that's when Dylan reached out, actually decided he wanted to turn it into a race car. And I thought, God, what a great idea.
So a couple years ago, I got the opportunity to drive an E46 chassis for my very first year in Pro 1 FD. That was 2019. I absolutely fell in love with the chassis, but the problem was that car wasn't mine. So with the promise that I would turn it into a pro drift car, I bought it for $1,000 running and driving. We jumped the battery and I drove it home, ripped it apart, and turned it into my current competition car, which we've been running for the past 3 years in FD. This is your car.
Is it too late to ask for it back?
Just a little bit too late. I put so much time and work into this thing. I have hundreds and hundreds of hours into the chassis, and it is probably one of the gnarliest cars I've ever driven in my life now.
Oh my God, I love it. I love it. It's so amazing to see the transformation from when I had to what it is now. I love seeing my car again because it's not just in a junkyard right now. It's actually on a track and it's doing something. I'm honored that he's taking my car and just continuing the legacy of it. That makes me happy.